Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and now I really am back to show you a flip through. Okay, so this is the 2021 Collage Weekly Planner by Margarete Miller, okay, and with collage art assignments, okay. I use this book as a YouTube tracker to, track my YouTube videos and what I film on what day or what goes up on what day, things like that. I have found this to be a lot of fun. I look forward to doing it every single week. It does not take a whole lot of my time, which is great. Yeah, it takes more time to collect the items than it does to actually put something together. So, yeah, I've learned a lot even through this process. And one of the things I've learned is that yeah, I don't need to put a lot of thought into it. Not that you shouldn't put a lot of thought into it. You do you know what I'm saying? But I have really been enjoying just putting things down. So let's just dig in and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, I will put Margarete's link below. Okay, now let me just tell you also, you don't have to get her planner if you don't want to. She does have a website. She puts all of her prompts on there. There are a lot of people that are doing this, the hashtag, which is hashtag CW planner and the number that you're on. So yeah, on Instagram, look it up. There are pictures there, or even on YouTube, you can look up the hashtag CW Planner and it'll come up with a bunch of people that are doing them. So check them out. Okay, so this was week 1 and it was something fast. I used the watches, meaning time is fast. A postage stamp right down here, a piece of map, which is this in the background, a border or frame. You know what? I never like, whatever it's called, like I never cross these out. Okay, so something fast. Yeah, okay. Oh, come on, Elizabeth. Jeez, okay, not that one either. All right, something fast. Yes, watches, a postage stamp. Postage stamp, yes. Piece of a map, yes, back here. Border or frame. Yes, I use these pretty tulips. A portion of a brochure, that was also the map, right? So I use that for 2 separate things. And a form or a part of a form, which is this right down here. And then I wrote in the carbon part time, fast and ever changing. That's just something I decided to add. Okay, so this one is a person. Yep, right here. An image from a magazine, I also counted that as an image from a magazine. A doodle, which was this right here. That was off of the cover of a book. A piece of washi tape, yes, this very pretty thick washi tape in the background that I received in Happy Mail. A tea bag cover right here. And an illustration right here, one of my favorite tools to use, which is the pencil. So that was fun. That was week 2. Here's week 3. This was a fun page. So we have a barcode. Yes, we had many. A photo of these ladies in their swimming costumes. I thought that was cute. A thing, which was this right here because I wanted to add a pop of color. A clothing tag, this right here, no boundaries. Text in a different alphabet. This right back here could be Italian, possibly. And handwriting, which was this right here. Yeah, that was a lot of fun to put together. This was also a clothing tag. There's a piece of vellum behind here. That was also clothing tag, which I thought was cute. Here was the next one that we did. Okay. So let's see. Numbers. Yes. Okay, I have this, the washi tape with numbers on it, and I also had this from an order of pens I received. It had numbers on it. Graph paper or lined paper. Yes, this strip in the background. An art scrap. This, yes, was an art scrap of mine. A book page or portion that is in, I tore it and put one up in this corner and one down in this corner. An old sticky note, which was this right here. And instruction, which was this little circle right here. I'd gotten these dot pens and that was how they were telling you to use them. So that's how I interpreted those prompts. This one might be one of my favorites right here. So I did not have a business card, so I did not add that. A sticker was this right here that says Freedom. It's from my Dymo label maker. A security envelope design, that's the background here. Text other than English, that's this Cyrillic back here in the background. A place, this boat. And textured paper was this right here, and it was textured. And I received that from Sweet Allison in Happy Mail. So this is quite possibly my favorite. I don't know. That was week 5. So here's week 6. I enjoyed this one too. And this was a list. So here is the list. I actually made a list of things that I would like to see in myself. Anything from the grocery store. What did I have from the grocery store? Oh, well, nothing. That's why it's X'd, Elizabeth. Ugh. Okay, a piece of washi tape, which was this beautiful Jane Davenport washi tape I received in Happy Mail. Architecture, which is the background picture, that was from a magazine. And a star. I put a few black stars just to kind of tie in, you know, the black with all the color on this side. And then the bonus was something that came in the mail, and that was also the washi tape because I had received it in Happy Mail, and I put this little sticker there too because I received that in Happy Mail as well. So that was week 6. Here's week 7. Okay, it's a toss-up between this one and this one. And if you'll notice something very similar between the both of them, I hope they're not too glary, is that they are quite the simple arrangement, okay? I really like that. I like simple. Okay, so let's see. Something with a bit of pink. That was this beautiful painty paper from my dear friend Barbara. She sent that in Happy Mail. A place, the ocean. A piece of newspaper. That was this right here, and it's actually a verse from Psalms in the Bible. A form or portion blank or filled. So that was this right here, just a torn piece. Text other than English, that's this right here, and it just so happens to have to do, I don't know what language it's in. It's in an Asian language, that's all I know, if that's even how you say that. But it has all the different things to do with the ocean, so I thought that was really cute little tie in there. And then an art scrap, which again is this right here. So yeah, that's how that turned out. I love it. I really do. It's just, I'm really enjoying the simple. And then this was week 8. Again, another very simple thing to do, you know, another simple collage. And so this was an herb or other fragrant plant. I chose this lotus out of a nature book that I have. Apparently they're very fragrant. Handwriting, which was this out of a book that I had. Ink, whatever that means to you. So in the background here is actually an ink blot. And then this right here is a person writing with a dip pen using ink. So that's what I use those 2 images for. Circles, right here, the compass. And an illustration, I use the flower as the illustration as well as the fragrant plant. So there's that. And then the bonus was a key. I didn't have a key. I didn't feel like putting on a key, so I didn't use the bonus, but I used all the other things, and I really enjoyed the way it came out. And like I said, I'm using this planner as a tracker for YouTube, or my YouTube videos, but I finished up week 8 last week, I believe. And yeah, look forward to week 9 coming up on Friday. And I have really, really been enjoying this. And again, just put in the hashtag on either Instagram or YouTube, hashtag CW Planner, and you'll come up with videos and or pictures using either this book or people using Margarete Miller's prompts. I'll leave her link below. I hope you enjoyed that little flip through. And I have very much enjoyed this, and I anticipate being able to fill this entire book. Yeah, and I'm really looking forward to it. So I hope y'all have a great day, a great week, and I'll talk to you all real soon. Bye for now.